Welcome everyone to this new workflow. Today I want to explain something. Here we have our workflow, okay, and here we have a website. If a website or any company asks you to create an AI agent, you have to create a knowledge base for this company. So here we have a Google Doc and a knowledge base for this company. This website is a marketing website and want to create an AI agent to automate some stuff of their work. And here we have another page. Okay, we create by scrapping in this workflow from this website. Okay, so in this tutorial I will explain you how you can use this workflow to create a beautiful document which contains all information about a website, any website you want. Okay, this beautiful knowledge base document format, it's very nice, and you will use, and here we'll use Scroll for AI. It is a free website you can use to scrapping a website and create a beautiful knowledge base like this. So we'll go step by step with this workflow. If you go to my community, you can download here the template. Okay, this template you can download it, but if you want to recreate it, you can follow this tutorial. I explain with many details how you can create this in. So the first here we have a trigger, simple trigger. You just need to click here and add a trigger, manual trigger, and it's done. Nothing again to do. In the second HTTP request, you want to find the website, this website. For example, if we want to scrape all information from this website, you need only to copy the home page. Okay, once you add your HTTP request, you paste it here. Okay, you paste it like that, and you must enter, let me show you this, all right, sitemap.xml. it is in my community. You can copy it after the master space link, the link of the website, you paste it here. If I copy this code and go to my browser, paste it, you'll notice that I have many links. All links here come from the website. Okay, it's different link about the website, and those are links we want to scrape with scroll for AI to create this document. I think you understand. So here in HTTP request, you paste the code here. Okay, here you have your website first, and after that you have the link sitemap.xml. okay, it is the first step. Okay, after that you must to choose get, because you want to get a link from there, and it's done for the first HTTP request. The second, you must to convert those link you get from here. The link you get from here, if I do one click here, test it, you'll notice that I have our link here. The link we have in the website is here. Many link, I think it is 67 item here, I think it is. So after that, after the first step in the HTTP request, here in the second step, you must to add XML and convert XML link to JSON. Okay, if you add it, you can write data here and click on test it, and you'll get many different links like this, but in JSON. Those links you have in your HTTP request here come here in JSON, and you can use it. You have many links here to scrape with Screw for AI. I explain you how you can configure this Screw for AI and use it easily, okay, in the step where when we want to use it. So here we have this, the one, two, the two, the second node. Now we want to add this node. This node is for some link we want to scrape, because in this website we have many links, and when we use sitemap we get many different links. But in the scraping process we don't need a link here. We don't need many links, we need only some link. Maybe let me show you in the code. We need to scrape the main page, we need to scrape the service, the prices, contact, and so on. So let me show you. In the website here we have many links like home, what we do, our work, prices, and blog, contact, and in the bottom we have those link, group, fund, and so on, and the contact and social media. So you will create a code, add a code, and choose the link you want to scrape. Those are here, okay, from the website. So in my community I have add the code. You can use JSON code, it's the same. You can get access or do a screenshot if you want. And in my code I have choose only 8 links, okay, 8 links to scrape. And if I do one click here, I get the link I want to scrape. I have 8 items. Before in XLM we have 61. We haven't the number here, but I know we have 67 links to scrape here. It is very long and can take many time, okay. So we choose 8 links to scrape, and now we can go to split out those links to scrape them one by one, okay. So we add a split out node, and we write here log, or you can just drag and drop it and click on test step, and you get only one, the first link to scrape. After that you'll get the second, the third, and so on. I think you understand. And after that you must go to the loop step. The first link must go to the loop to be scrapy, and go to create the document with the first link scraping, and return to the second, and so on and so on and so on. I think you understand. So in the loop, just add a loop 1 and click on test step, and it's done. In the loop branch you have the first link, and this link must go to the scrape tool. It is in this node. Let me place it here. It is in this node. We'll configure it AI crowd for AI. Okay, now here we have HTTP request, and we want to configure it crowd for AI to use it. If I do double click here, you have a link. How to get this link? In my community I have this link, but I will explain you how to configure it. Don't worry for that. So here you must go to render, because you need a cloud. You need a cloud. You can use Ocean, Digital Ocean, but when you use Digital Ocean, sometime they give you an error when you add your credit card. It don't work. Sometimes it don't work. So the link to go to render. This is the link here. You hide render.com and it's done. You get access here to create your account. It's for free. You create your account, and if you want to use a powerful CPU, you can do it, but I explain you. Once you create your account, you'll go to the dashboard. My account. Okay, cool. Once you are here, you need to create a new project. So go there. Once you are in the dashboard, you need to create a web service. Do one click here, and here you must enter something. In my community, this is it here. You must enter this, do a screenshot, or get access to my community to copy it. And there are many other courses about this. Okay, you can go to follow it. If I enter this, okay, no, I must go there, image, and enter the right, and click on connect. We want to create this, come from here, okay, in the GitHub. Okay, the code will clone the GitHub Crowd for AI GitHub here. We'll clone it in render, and we want to use it to scrape website. I think you understand. So let me add. Kotos is my brand, Crowd for AI tool. After that, you go down. This is the free. If you want to use the free, but you can add some money to powerful render. Okay, so you can go to free, test it. If it work and you see it's very low sometime to scrape a website, you can return to choose starter. So I have a pro plan, so I can use it. So here you must enter something. Okay, if you go to my community, here we have the configuration. This Crowd for AI API. Paste it here, and you must enter a password. If you one click, you will generate a password, and this password you will use it in your HTTP request here. Okay, so after that you can enter the port you want to use. By default, it is already configured this, but you can enter it, this number. It is the same here, I think. Okay, 11235. After that, you click on deploy web service. Okay, all it's done. The image, your name, your tools for the powerful of the tools, and click on deploy web service, and you wait. It will be deployed. Once it's finished, you need this link here. You click on it, and you go to your HTTP request where you want to use the code, the tools, and you paste it. Once you paste it, you paste this link you get from your render cloud. You paste it here, you add slash, and you must to write scroll like that. Don't forget to add it. Let me check. In my community is the same, I think. This, once you get your link from Crowd for AI, you add Crowd in the end. Let me close this. In the end, and it's done. After that, you can write authorization here. You send either, you choose this, you write authorization here. Okay, here you must enter bearer slash this code in the, you must write this, and enter it and enter your code. If you go there, you go to environment, and the code you create here, you must copy it. Okay, you copy this code and you paste it here. Okay, if you copy the same code as me, it don't work because I will delete it. And after that you enter JSON in send body. You choose below, you write a name you want, you drag and drop this here, the first link you get from the loop, you add priority 10, and it's done. Once you click on test step, you'll get a test ID, the test ID of the link you want to script. If I don't want to click here and wait, it said my code isn't work. So if I go to my here and show my code, I can change the code and write my own creation, code like that. You can write your own code if you want, and save and wait, save and deploy and wait. So I can show it, copy it and wait for deployment. If I go to check the deployment, service starting, I want to wait. Once it's deployed, I can use the code because I have changed the code. Okay, all is done. But now we can use the code. If I go there, change the code, add my own code I have created, I will recheck it. Check. C'est quoi ton problème? Il n'y a pas de bêtise. It's white. I don't know because I think have an error with my link here. So you must check all details and it will work. So we get a text ID here to continue. So here after the HTTP request and is work. So now you want to send to the wait node because the script can take time. So let me add things here. Sometimes the web to script has many information, so you will wait a long time. So I want to explain you something. If you go to the code, you have many links here. The service, awake, pricing, blog. The blog link has many. What is it? The blog has many information to script. So when the scraping will start, the process, the scraping process will start. It can take many times. So you can delete it from your link list and script all here, and after, if you have a time, you can put it to script. Okay, so double click here in the wait node, just add the time you want and click on test step, and you get information about the link you want to script. It takes time because the script process starts, and the test ID continue. This test ID will go to the second link, and it's here. The script will take many time. Okay, so we want to send this text ID. We create a test ID. We create a test ID from the first HTTP request with scroll for AI. In the second node, we want to script it now to get all the information we want. So how to do that? Write this code. Go to my community. Let me show you the code you must enter. It's the same as your code here. It's the same here in your render. You copy it, you go there and you paste it here. You paste it here, you paste it first. Also you add a slash and task. I think you follow that I do. In the first here I've paste my link and slash add crowd. In the second HTTP request I've paste the link from render slash task. Now slash the test ID you want to screen. The test ID you want to screen. Okay, nice. Once it's good, you want to get many information from this website. Once it's done, in the same send as a bearer, you must to enter your code from environment you create here. The code here you must enter it here. Okay, don't send a body and click on test step and wait. Here the tools must go to the website here, in the home page, and start the scraping. Sometimes the scraping is not completed. Here it is completed. Once it is completed, it must go to the if node. The if node will check if it is completed, the status of the process. You must check it here in the schema. Status completed. Okay, you add this is a if node, and it must check if it is completed. It want to continue here. Once it's completed, you go to the code. I will delete this code. This code is for clean the markdown. We get a markdown here. Okay, clean a markdown that contains all information from the website, and sometimes you have many images. I don't want my scraping process get image from the one website, so I have add a code to clean it, but we don't use it here. If you want to use this code, I've added the code here to clean the markdown in my community. But if I explain it here, the video will be so long and so noisy. So in the if node, if the status is completed, you must go to the agent to create the document. But if not, you must go to the edit and retake the test ID. This go to my HTTP request one. HTTP request one. Find the test ID and report it. HTTP request one. Here the test ID here, you must put it here. Okay, we must put it here. It will work. Okay, if the process is not completed, it go here, and this node will retake the test ID, resend it to the wait, and we'll wait the scraping process, because some website can take 1 minute to be scraping. Okay, so you'll resend it and we'll wait again. Once it's completed, you'll go to the AI agent here to continue and create the document. So we are here. Okay, this JSON cleaned markdown come from the code. I must delete it and change it because it comes from this code, but I have deleted this code. So we want to find information which comes from the if node. If I do double click, I can check the if node markdown. Okay, the markdown contain the information and the script information from the website. Let me find it. This is the markdown here. Drag and drop it here. All information about the website is here. The main page of the website is here. Okay, so here we have two agents. Let me show you. We have first AI agent with Deespseek and the second AI agent with ChatGPT. Normally this is the AI agent which must write the document here. The document you see here and come from this AI agent. Okay, the role of this is to write a markdown like that, a beautiful markdown like that. Okay, but the rule of the first is to write the prompt. Sometimes we add only one AI agent and ourselves or write a prompt for it. But me, I want a AI agent to write a prompt for this. So I give instruction here. I said it. Here I explain to this AI agent, he must write a prompt for the second AI agent. Okay, his role is to write a prompt for this second AI agent, and I said that I want in the prompt. Okay, I want it to write a knowledge base from the website, and I add the website here from HTTP request to the first link we script. You must write a markdown document that name is knowledge base for the website, and so on. I give instruction, and this instruction is to create a prompt for this AI agent. So the instruction I have right here can be found in my community if you get access. Okay, and after that we click on test it. I forget, you must enter Deespseek credential. Let me find you. Here you must enter Deespseek credential. Okay, to create a Deespseek credential, it is very easy. You just need to go to Deespseek platform deespseek.com, add the money to the API website, and I've explained to here. Let me find you. No, and once you do that, you can connect your Deespseek, and it's done. You choose chat, and it's done. It's the same for OpenAI. You must go to platform openai.com, create a new credential, and connect it. The API code here, and if you check in the output here, this is a prompt. It is the prompt. Okay, this prompt must go here. In the system message, we add the prompt Deespseek AI agent created for it. Okay, we add the prompt here, and it's done. And here you must delete it because it is the code information. We delete the code, so you must delete it and add the edit markdown. This markdown. Okay, fine, and it's done. And we must check set. It has a prompt. It has the information, and it must use the prompt from Deespseek to work and create a beautiful document for us in Markdown. Do one click here. Okay, this is the document, the Markdown. Let me pin it. I don't want to lose it. Now we have the scripting data from our website, the main page. So we want to add it to our document. So you need to add a Google document and create a new credential here. To create a new credential, I have already video on it. You can go to the link will be in the description. Go to follow this video, Google credential, to create it. Okay, once you create it, you connect it, and it will be done. And once you do that, you must to go to your Google Drive, your Google Doc, to create a new Google where you want to add this information. So if I go to my Google Doc and create a new document, click a new document here, you can get here, you choose Google document update, and here you must enter the document ID. It's here from D/ until here C. before edit slash. Copy it and paste it here, and it's done. After that, text, you write text or you choose text. Okay, text, insert body at end of the position, the specific position. Maybe you have, if you have some information here and you want to add a new, because the scripting will take to script the first website. After the second, we have 8 here, the first, the second, and so on. Always you go to the loop, you must go to the document to add the new information, and so on and so on, and increase the page. So here we have add the page ID where we want to write the document, and we add the output from the AI, the second AI agent here. Okay, and you go to click on test step. Okay, it's done. Let's check. Okay, this is the document we have here, but it is in Markdown. We have 2 pages here. Okay, we have script, the main page, and we have this document. That you must do. You must go to tools, go down to preference, and check Markdown here. Enable here and click on OK. After that, you select all. Command X to select all. Command A to select. Command X, you cut it, and you do right click and you paste in Markdown format. Okay, when you paste in Markdown, you get this configuration. Okay, it's very nice and it's good to read. It's better than the preview mode. This is the preview mode. Okay, but in Markdown mode you have this format. It's very good, very nice. And so this is the first main page is script, and if you check, the process must return to continue. Okay, if you click on test workflow, all process will go and return until it finish to script all here. Some link are difficult to script. You must keep in your mind there are 2 ensure you can get. The first can be the link. If the link is too long to script, it will get more time and many loop here. Return. But if the link isn't hard to script, it will go fast and create your document and add it after the last position. Add the second information from the second link, the third from the third link, and so on. The second issue can be from your render cloud. If you are in the free plan, it can get more time to script your website. Actually, I use a pro plan, and the scripting can go fast and script quickly a website. Okay, so if you are in the free, you'll notice that sometimes your scripting process can take more time to finish. So this is to ensure you can get when you script. You must keep it in your mind. So that's all for this video. Okay, after that, we have set up and start our community where we upload the full process to create automation for people. Okay, so here we have a script creation workflow, automatic marketing video workflow, start from smart call assistant workflow you can learn, and all information about this workflow I have explained in this video. Okay, you can get access, and once the link those are here, you will be able to create an offer, a pricing for people. Okay, first easy AI service you can offer to company after learning. Okay, and you can create your offer, your service for small business or anyone you want. So it is a new community. Okay, you can get access and start a unique warehouse. Okay, so here try to do the same as me, do it many times, check and understanding, because you have to create knowledge base information for people, for company when you create automation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. See you next.